What's Gucci, everybody? You guys already know who this is. It's your boy Real Tito. Make sure you guys click that subscribe button and like this video. Guys, we're here at Crown Fried Chicken Pizza in Roselle, and we came to check up on my vending machine and let's see how she's doing. So apparently my 3 candy machine doors broke off, which means that I have to put new ones in. If not, the candy's gonna go out flying and cause a mess for the owner. It's a Vendstar 3000. These are made out of plastic. Sometimes that happens with the business and you just gotta get new parts. So this is what we got over here. We just ordered 3 new doors for my vending machine. So these 3 doors cost me about like $20. Guys, don't worry, the links will be down below. Let's replace my doors and let's see how much we made this month. Yeah, hurt. Guys, how much you think that we made in these 3 trays? Hopefully like $20-ish. Let's find out. Okay guys, so we have to put this door right there. But how do we do that? We literally have to take the whole thing apart. So first we gotta pop this open. We take this out. There's 2 screws down here. I need you to... You push this in, and it comes out. One, 2, 3. So this is the broken door and this is the new door. You see, since these things are made of plastic, they don't really last that long. If you're new to the candy vending machine business, don't have so much money to start off, then yes, it's fine and buy the Vendstar 3000. But if you have some money to spend, buy the metal candy machines. They'll last longer. As you can see, it's just that the sides are broken off. Anyways, so we took out the 3 screws. This comes out. This is the hardest part. Okay, so be very careful with this part because you're dealing with the springs. 1 spring should be on the outside door and 1 should be inside. Take your time. Yeah, hurt? You see guys, it just takes some patience. Now for me to figure that out, how to put that spring in properly, took us about what, like 30 minutes of just testing out the springs, taking them out, putting them back in. Guys, trust the process, be patient, and let's go and put this machine back. Yeah, hurt. We got 3 screws right here. Forgot to get the screwdriver. Can't forget the screwdriver. We gotta put this and make sure this goes under. And now let's put the candy in. We got some M&Ms. The taste test. Delicioso. Now we got the Skittles. Now let's do the most important part. 1. 12, 13, 14, 14.50. Wow, guys, 14.50 in 1 month. Hey guys, something is better than nothing. Yeah, heard. Crown Fried Chicken and Pizza, guys. Y'all know where we at. We're here in Roselle, New Jersey, in Crown Fried Chicken and Pizza. Crown Fried Chicken and Pizza is right over there. Crown Fried Chicken and Pizza right over there. What y'all waiting for? Make sure y'all check out my friends here at Crown Fried Chicken and Pizza. And make sure y'all get some of my candy. Y'all heard. Comment below if you guys just heard. About to tell this girl to stop.
Whack, 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 whack. One phone call, get you whack, whack, whack. Try to
Got some good chicken. Got some good chicken. Try it out. Right there. Got some good chicken. Fried chicken. Right there. Oh, come on, come on. Excuse me, man. Sell some good fried chicken down there. Crown Fried Chicken and Pizza. They got it all. Okay, guys. Don't forget Crown Fried Chicken in Roselle, New Jersey. Make sure to check out their daily specials and tell them that Tito sent you. You heard. If you guys like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more upcoming side hustler videos.